Welcome to the best picks. The best Playmobil Pool is probably one of the most sought-after summer toys for kids, bringing endless hours of splashing fun and imaginative play right into your backyard or living room. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular Playmobil set a must-have for families looking to create their own aquatic adventures, from its durable construction to the delightful accessories that spark creativity. Number 5. Playmobil Aquarium Building Set. Come and see the incredible sea lion performance. Watch as it gracefully jumps through hoops and balances a ball on its nose. Don't miss the feeding time. The clock with movable hands shows you exactly when it's time for a treat. After the show, head over to the rotating carousel. Here you can observe a variety of fascinating small sea creatures. Step inside the underwater viewing area and feel like you're truly part of the ocean. Fish will swim right past you. Fill the aquarium tank with water for the most realistic playtime fun. It's an engaging and educational experience. This set comes with everything you need for hours of fun, including figures, seals, colorful fish, and accessories. What we like? Experience the magic of the ocean with this immersive aquarium set. If you love marine life and enjoy realistic water play, this is the perfect choice for you. It offers a captivating underwater viewing area and interactive shows that will delight young marine biologists. What people say. The pool is a good size for the figures and holds water well. It's easy to assemble and the accessories are a nice addition. The slide is a fun feature that the kids love. Number 4. Playmobil Swimming Pool, Multi. On hot, sunny days, take a refreshing dip in this fun swimming pool. It's perfect for cooling off and enjoying the water. Fill it up for exciting splashing adventures or simply relax on a comfortable inflatable lounger. Enjoy your time in the water. The included arm floaties ensure that even the youngest family members can swim safely. Peace of mind for parents. Add extra fun with the squirting octopus toy, or use it to playfully spray an unsuspecting relative. Laughter guaranteed. Those who would rather work on their tan can use the lounge chair to bask in the sun. Soak up the rays in comfort. The functioning shower lets everyone rinse off after their swim. Stay refreshed before heading back to the house. What we like? Beat the heat with this fun-filled swimming pool set. If you're looking for a classic summer water play experience with plenty of accessories for relaxation and fun, this is the one. It's ideal for families who want a refreshing and engaging way to cool down on hot days. What people say. The pool is a good size for the figures and holds water well. It comes with several accessories like a slide and a diving board, which adds to the play value. The colors are bright and appealing, and the overall design is sturdy and well-made. Number 3. Playmobil 1.2.3 Aqua Splish Splash Water Park. Come join your friends for a fun-filled day at the Splish Splash Water Park. This colorful playset is designed to help your little one develop important skills. This Stage 3 set is perfect for your toddler, fostering cognitive, fine motor, and language development. It offers a fantastic water play experience that encourages learning. Discover the exciting game functions by turning the crank to make the water flow. Watch as it creates a lazy river, moving rafts and animals along. For a more relaxed experience, move to the center pool away from the river action. It's a perfect spot for calmer water play. Combine this playset with other sets from the Aqua collection for even more splash-filled adventures. Collect them all for endless water fun. This set includes figures, sea creatures, and floating rafts and boats. It has everything you need for immediate play. Recommended for ages 18 months to 4 years, this water park provides hours of engaging and developmental fun. It's designed for safe and enjoyable play. What we like? Spark your toddler's imagination and development with this engaging water park. If you have a young child aged 18 months to 4 years and want a toy that promotes cognitive and motor skills through water play, this is an excellent option. The interactive crank and floating elements make learning fun. What people say. The pool is a good size for the figures and holds water well. The slide is a fun addition and the figures can actually slide down it. It comes with several accessories like a beach ball and a float, which adds to the play value. Number 2. Playmobil Beach Hotel. Escape to the beautiful Playmo Beach Hotel for an unforgettable family vacation by the sea. You'll be greeted with warm hospitality upon arrival. Settle into your cozy bungalow after checking in at the reception. Enjoy a relaxing stay with fully furnished rooms, including beds and cribs. There are endless activities for everyone, from splashing in the kids' pool to lounging on the private rooftop patio. Delicious meals are also available at the hotel restaurant. This set comes with everything you need for a complete vacation experience. It includes figures, furniture, and numerous accessories to bring your adventures to life. Enhance your vacation adventure by combining this set with other Playmo Beach Hotel themes. Collect them all for even more fun. Recommended for ages 4 and up, this playset encourages imaginative play. Please note that it contains small parts, so it's not suitable for children under 3 years old. What we like? Embark on a dream vacation with this detailed beach hotel playset. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that offers a variety of play scenarios, from checking in to relaxing by the kids' pool or on the patio, this is it. It's perfect for children who enjoy imaginative role-playing and creating their own vacation stories. What people say. The pool is a good size for the figures and holds water well. The slide is a fun addition and the figures can slide down it easily. It comes with several accessories like a beach ball and a float, which adds to the play value. Number 1. Playmobil Water Sports Lesson Playset. Get ready for an exciting day of aquatic adventures. This playset offers a fantastic way to enjoy the water. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve, there's always something new to discover. Perfect for all skill levels. You can learn to master the waves with the included windsurfing gear. Or, explore the underwater world with the scuba equipment. See all the colorful fish swimming beneath the surface as you explore the ocean depths. It's a whole new world to experience. This set comes complete with everything you need for hours of play. It includes figures, surfboards, scuba gear, and more accessories. Designed for children aged 4 and up, it's the perfect gift for aspiring water sports enthusiasts. Let the adventures begin. What we like? Dive into adventure with this exciting water sports lesson set. If you or your child are interested in learning various water activities like windsurfing or exploring underwater with scuba gear, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for active kids aged 4 and up who love the thrill of water sports. What people say. The pool is a good size for the figures and the accessories are a nice touch. Easy to assemble and looks great with the other Playmobil sets. The water pump actually works, which is a fun feature for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.